Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz VITO. Now this vehicle comes with the daytime running headlights. We have the Arctic white exterior paintwork, 17-inch gloss black alloy wheels. We do have the black door handles and door mirrors, window deflectors on the windows. We also have sliding doors on both sides. On the roof you can see we have the roof rails. We also have the twin opening rear doors. If you just have a look inside of the back, you can see the VITO badge on the left door. Just open up this door so you can take a look inside of there. You can see the wooden panelling. We also have the spare wheel as well. Close that door and then make our way around to the driver's side again. You can see the vehicle is free from any major marks or scratches. Just take a look from the sliding door. Open this up, you can see there's a view from the side. Close that back up. Having a look at the front, you can see we've got the cloth seats, 3 seats, so we've got the driver's seat and also 2 passenger seats. Multifunctional steering wheel, electric windows. We have the electric handbrake. Just take a seat inside, and I'm going to put my foot on the clutch and turn the vehicle on. You'll find we have the speedometer on this stalk here. We do have the dashboard with the digital screen in the centre if the camera can focus. You can see we are free from any warning lights. Digital speedometer just there in the centre. We also have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the radio stations, but we can adjust that. So if we press onto this arrow, you can also change the media options. You can see we have the SD card, USB, auxiliary and Bluetooth audio. We have a USB port just inside of there with the auxiliary. We also have the climate control down here, 6-speed manual gearbox as well. That's all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website or get in contact. This vehicle comes with a fresh service and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz VITO. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, not to fight the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left, or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we are just approaching a junction, so we have to slow down, put our right indicator on, and then we're going to make sure it is safe to turn right. So just check both ways, make sure there's no cars coming. There's a few cars that are coming, so we're going to wait for these to go past, and then we're going to turn right just in a moment. So turning right, and then we're going to go accelerate, go through the gears, get up to speed, up to 3rd gear now, and then into 4th. As you can see, with no issues. If you do this in carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We also have the cloth seats throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable. Pleased to do 2, 3, over 400 miles in the vehicle, still go out feeling fresh. We also have a few more features throughout the interior. We have the stalk down here for the speedometer, for example, multifunctional steering wheel as well in front of us, which has the phone connectivity and the volume buttons on the right. We have a digital screen in the centre of the dashboard, which can show different displays and different bits of information. We also have the main infotainment screen, plenty of features on there for the audio. We are going to take another right-hand turn now, so we're going to slow down. We've got our right indicator on again, wait for this car to go, and then we're going to turn right onto Gravy Road, and again, accelerate, go through the gears, up to 3rd, and then again into 4th, and then we'll try and get up to 5th, into 5th, as you can see, with no problems. We are just approaching the bend, so we're going to slow down again, and we're going to go down the gears, put our left indicator on as we approach the dealership. We're going to go into 2nd, and then turning left onto the dealership, and they will perform emergency stop in 3, 2, and 1. Hold onto the brakes, put the car into neutral, and then into reverse, go backwards, and then again into neutral and into 1st with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running for some inquiries of you. And that's all from me today though. Cheers.